Hi, my name's Shawn. I'm with Graticle Design. Today I want to show you how to back up your WordPress website. But first, I want to ask you a question. If something happens to your website right now, it gets hacked, your server fails, or your database gets corrupted, what system do you have in place to restore it to its last working version? Most people would assume that someone is taking care of it, but if you don't have a system in place, that's not the case. I've seen and experienced this problem, and it's not fun. You can lose hours and hours of work in the blink of an eye. In this video, I want to show you two options. The first option I want to show you is for your do-it-yourselfers. There's a free plugin in WordPress called Up WordPress. It's great for backing up your entire website, both your files and database, and you can do this manually, weekly, daily, or hourly. Here's a default installation on my local computer. Go ahead and log into your WordPress website so you can follow along. The first thing you can do is click Plugins, then click Add New, then type in Backup WordPress, and then click Search. As of right now, it's the top result. I'm going to click Install Now, then click OK, and then when it's finished installing, you can click Activate Plugin. To access the settings for the plugin, you go to Tools and then click Backups. Here you can set options for your database backups and complete website backups, including your files and database. And you can schedule how often backups are taken. By default, the plugin's set to back up your database and files daily, but you can alter that to your choosing. Each situation is different, but generally, the most important aspect to backup is your database. So daily is perfect. But for your entire website, backing up weekly or monthly is generally enough. The great thing about this option is that it's simple and free to set up. The downside is if your server fails, which is one of the main reasons for backing up, you could be out of luck because you've put all your eggs into one basket. If your website fails or gets hacked, your website and your backups are at risk. The other downside is that you've got a business to run, so if something goes wrong, you may be busy with a project or something else, and you generally won't have time to just stop what you're doing and figure out how to fix this. And I'm guessing it's probably not too high on your to-do list. The second option which I recommend for you is our WordPress backup service. We take monthly, weekly, or daily backups and keep up to 5 versions on hand. So if something goes wrong, we can restore it to its last working version. We not only back up your entire website, including the database, but we store these backups off-site. So if your server goes down and everything's gone, we have your website backups. In this case, when something happens, you just give us a call. We restore your website to its last working version, and you're back up and running in no time. So if you'd like us to handle backing up your website, give us a call at 360-450-3711, and if you mention this video, we'll give you 25% off of our WordPress backup service. I hope you found this video helpful, and you have a great day.